So my gas-powered chainsaw died recently, and I have a lot of wood to get cut before Christmas. So I ordered this Worx 16-inch electric chainsaw, and I assembled it, put bar oil in it, filled it up, and you can see I'm getting power there by the little light that's on this cord. So plug it in, nice and good. The safety anti-kickback safety is not engaged, so it's ready to roll. The problem is, you can see me push my thumb in, nothing. Thing doesn't work. No power whatsoever, no noise, absolutely nothing. Worx does not work.